Welcome guys to Jamaican Food Sweet TV. Guys, today I blend up some juice. I make some star fruit wash and cut up, melon, cucumber, pineapple and mango. And as you can see, I'm going to finish cut up my ginger. And then I go blend up now and make a lovely Jamaican juice.
I fresh water them I use when I use it.
Yes,
Spring water.
Spring water. Straight. So guys, we are going to cut up, we are blend up, and we are going to mix up.
Alright.
And then drink up.
Oh.
So go and lock in.
And show them how go on.
And watch where we are going with. We are going to blend out. We are going to blend out the star fruit first. And guys, big up the cameraman behind the camera.
Yes,
the great. Yes,
one.
Real cameraman.
Never two.
Yeah. One is it. Alright, so guys, so we are blend out. Okay. First dose of star fruit.
Load them up again.
Load them up again.
Wait a minute, it's natural or you have put?
Natural. No sugar.
No added.
Natural. I don't know, so the melon and the pine don't have in feed one sugar.
Sweet enough.
Yeah, even the star fruit, you know. Yeah, man, a Jamaica then come from.
Sweet enough, you say?
Yeah.
You don't need no more than that.
Right. So we have to blend out this now.
Yeah, smelly, you know. You stirring this again after you're stirring?
Yeah.
Get everything out there.
Right.
Yeah.
And rough it in.
See, rough it don't make a cough sometimes. No, cough you on the arm, yeah. Sweet melon.
Yeah. Sweet bad too, you know.
No, eat the yellow one.
Eh? Yellow one nice, man.
No, so red melon one you can't eat. You can't eat yellow one. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to it at all.
You don't want a whole heap of water with the melon here because remember it one nice sweet now.
Just an amount.
Right.
A little bit of water in there.
The melon open enough fluid.
Yeah.
Melon have itself have a nice smell.
Sweet.
Yeah. Nice, man.
If I can go and drain.
Yeah. See two color? Two pan him, catch it. You see them? Yeah. Catch it cola, easy. Catch it cola.
Silky.
Yeah, man. So, guys, one lucky we are going to take out that now and then, you know, we have the thyme, mango, and ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that. So, what is happening now?
So, we are adding now with mango, ginger, and thyme.
And pine.
Yeah.
Pine sweet. Did it taste the pine?
Yeah.
It's sweet?
Yeah, man. Good enough.
I be so it already a job on.
Good enough. Good enough. As I said, we don't want too much fluid because you don't want to water it down too much.
No, you don't want too fresh. Rock him. And cut him.
Blend him.
Put some on this. Go ahead.
And I put everything together now. So there we go.
Strain.
You have to make one another strain.
Mm-hmm.
One another so.
Now look, you see roughage in there?
Yeah.
Well, I bet when I strain it to you see more.
Yeah, I go see
The strain it to me, I say nothing, you know, so I do it.
Yeah, me know.
More than one time.
It's a pine, mango and ginger now.
In there.
Yeah.
So yeah. I roughage all that in there, so you know.
Yes.
Is it that? You want to tell them, man? And then I got strain another one or two.
Yeah, that's strain.
And then you strain him back in another one there. So you hold that roughage down.
Yeah.
See what I've done. Guys, all this can squeeze too, you know. Can squeeze this and make more juice out of it, you know. I'm not trying, you know. The chunk we can squeeze that.
So we are going to use this. So
I refine mesh this.
yes.
So yeah, so I got you slower because you know not much I got to that. Yeah, tell her.
When you really strain your thing.
I know.
Really.
Hey, this is gonna take a while, you know. Rough, yeah. But me tell you right now, really and truly still. So we're back them up same time, but
Yeah, we don't go back to them when we done, man.
we're back them, yes, but
When we done them, I see them back up, you know. You see, look at our roughage we're in there now, and not much. See that? You see?
I don't think nothing of that. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, so we rinse again. So guys, wanna watch we now?
Unlucky.
I'm lucky in it way.
Let's see what I'm going.
Yes.
Nothing gonna want to sit down and wait so long. Holy Australian. But worry guys, I'll show you what I'm going.
Yeah, man, that's
Don't know when I left for the most, yeah?
check in back again, guys. So guys, we reach the final of our juice now. Let me show you inside anyway.
So,
yeah.
how that one look different color?
See?
And look on that one.
Because in our different container.
Oh, I contain and the contain. Oh, that's a simple something.
Yeah. So, back load, you see?
Back level. And I back with more in them glass cup, yeah?
What do you mean? Then I must.
Do.
Yes, guys, so.
No spill him. But you know it's good, man.
That's so good, you know. That's why I need the juice now.
The man wants some of the dash right for you already. Cheese!
Yeah.
I came over for, I want that to know. Twice. No, I eat the thing that here, man. And that's that.
Yeah. So buckle them up now. So we'll just grab and go when we're ready.
Put them in the fridge, make them nice and
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, something like them. Buckle and buckle. Them the guys. Guys, when you can put in on an order. You understand? Put in on an order, we ship them to you now. You understand? For real.
We said juice.
We said juice.
Yes.
Put in on an order, guys, and juice there for days. You see me? Yeah. Put in on an order. Juice they look nice.
Yeah.
Natural, no sugar. One bag of sugar we kill him.
Yeah. We're rich this whole time. Nothing too yes.
In there again. So you want to throw that one there?
Yeah.
Want to throw just a little in this cup for me, please?
Yes. Okay,
Just a little in this cup, right there, sir. Don't forget me, though.
Me no want say you can't wait.
Yeah, man, see, yeah. That's the time I do we do. Just a little, yeah. Just throw something in. That's it, make it King alright, continue.
So then you alone can't drink and me not drink.
Alright,
Get a glass
yeah,
of
man,
liquor.
alright, it's Spanish glass. Well, I see.
Yeah.
I just saw that bad with some.
Look at it.
Make you see, man.
Yeah. Look at it.
The juice left back.
Yeah.
You want me to drink after that and you pour more, you want
Whatever you want. Pebble good, I want one.
Pebble,
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. No, I want some. Cheers.
Yes, guys. So, guys. Yeah. So we are going to lock them up. Then we put them in the refrigerator.
Yeah. Let them cool.
Let them cool.
Midnight, guys, I drink out 2 before you go to bed.
But me just go tell you now. Say, I'm not sure if by tomorrow me going to have 2 left to drink.
No, I don't.
I see no play with juice.
No, I drink juice, man.
Not to mention Russian.
Right.
So, guys, I'm going to pray for me.
Right.
That me can get. If
At
I
least,
even 2.
If I even 2 or 3.
Jesus, because they no joke. I mean, not telling a lie, guys. I don't want me make it, but me telling you the truth. The juice are turn up, the ingredients bad. Remember the ingredients, guys.
But wait till it cool. That me I tell you.
Eh?
When it cool.
That time me bad.
I tell you. You have more to drink.
Why?
Drink time.
You say drink your water.
Look like guava.
I tell you.
Think so,
Guys, nice and cool.
Alright, I think my game done enough, so tell them.
Try recipe.
No, tell them, they can tell them later.
Later.
Tell them later. Big up on yourself, guys.
Blessings.
Thanks to your subscriber, and you like, and everything we do for you. Big up on yourself.